like love. Yeah, look at them. Yeah. Look like love.
There's the Connect. And if you guys ever got one, then we could actually video chat like in our living room.
Yay!
This is one of the shirts that we got at Penny's today. This is another shirt we got at Penny's today. And this is yet another shirt we got at Penny's today. Aren't they adorable?
Mom has a shirt too.
They're pretty cute. And then, yep, I'm wearing one too.
It's
our gal sweater.
Okay.
And, okay, so this is Ashton's other shirt.
The inside is orange.
It's cool because it's got like a little inside. Yeah, it's really nice. And then this is Tristan's other shirt we got, which has like an inside that's blue. I like it. And then I got two more shirts. Corbin's is on order, so we can't show that one to you.
Well, we can.
Get that one. It's pretty. It's got a little lace.
Yeah.
And then this one.
Okay, that's just creepy.
Pretty. Anyway. Yeah. And then the other thing that we got with the gift certificate to Penny's, because we actually did go today. Oh, sorry, it's such a mess in here. The kids got, well, you can kind of see it, jersey sheet sets. Okay, you really can't see it at all. And they got new pillows, big, fluffy.
You can see mine, though.
New fluffy pillows and jersey sheet sets because they needed it desperately.
Big fluffy pillow.
I love you, Mom. Merry Christmas, boys.
And a Happy New Year. Woo!